Imagine a sound, or better yet, an invisible pulse, so mysterious, so powerful, that it was detected over 25 miles above Antarctica. No one knows exactly where it came from. No one knows what it means. There wasn't heard, but it was felt, picked up by highly sensitive instruments designed to monitor changes in Earth's upper atmosphere. And when the data started coming in, it simply didn't make sense. A sudden pulse appeared and vanished within seconds. But it was enough. Enough to trigger alerts in monitoring stations around the world. And the big question is, what is happening over Antarctica? And more importantly, what is hidden beneath miles of ice that no one wants you to know about? If this sounds like the plot of a sci-fi movie, buckle up, because what you're about to hear is real, and it might change the way you see the world forever. The event took place in May 2025. Satellites and atmospheric monitoring stations detected something completely out of the ordinary, a powerful electromagnetic pulse originating at an altitude of roughly 40 kilometers above Antarctica. But that wasn't all. Alongside the pulse came sudden, sharp fluctuations in magnetic, electrical, and even thermal readings. And here's the kicker. This wasn't the first time. When researchers dug into the data, they discovered that similar events had occurred in 2016, 2019, and 2022. Always in the same region, always unexplained, always followed by complete silence. Silence from authorities, silence from official organizations, silence from the mainstream media. At first, scientists tried to explain it with natural causes, perhaps a rare atmospheric phenomenon like sprites, elves, or blue jets, mysterious electrical discharges that occur high above thunderstorms. But that theory quickly collapsed. Why? Because the pulse showed none of the typical signatures of lightning discharges. There was no visible light, no sound, and its electromagnetic fingerprint did not match any known natural event. Then came geological explanations. Could it be something deep underground? After all, scientists have confirmed the existence of a massive magma chamber beneath the ice of West Antarctica. But again, no. The pulse didn't match geological activity. There were no earthquakes, no tremors, and critically, the pulse came from above, not below. That's when the theories started getting much stranger. And let's be honest, this is Antarctica, one of the most restricted, isolated, and mysterious places on Earth. Did you know that over 70% of Antarctica is completely inaccessible, even to civilian scientists? And for decades, strange reports have surfaced of magnetic anomalies, buried artificial structures, and even sightings of unidentified flying objects. Let's rewind the clock to 1946. The famous Operation High Jump, led by the US Navy, sent an entire fleet of ships, planes, and over 4,000 military personnel to Antarctica. The official reason? Training and research in extreme cold. But declassified documents and testimonies from some personnel suggest they encountered something far more significant, something never fully disclosed to the public. There are also persistent rumors that at the end of World War II, some Nazi scientists and officers fled to Antarctica, establishing secret bases that developed technology decades ahead of its time. Fast forward to today, the strange pulse detected in 2025 has reignited all these theories. Could it be the result of a secret base operating unknown energy technology? Or even the test of a directed energy weapon, similar to what conspiracy theories claim about HAARP, a program long accused of manipulating weather in energy fields. Some take it even further, suggesting that beneath the ice lies a structure that is not human, perhaps an artifact, a vessel, or an ancient base built by a civilization far older, and far more advanced than anything we know. And if you think that sounds crazy, hold on. In 2019, NASA reported a massive gravitational anomaly beneath Antarctica. According to the data, there is something incredibly dense buried miles below the surface. And to this day, no one has explained what it is. Coincidence? Maybe. Maybe not. There's more. Scientists investigating the pulse released a statement that shocked the research community. They said, "The signal does not match any known technology or natural phenomenon. Its origin remains unknown." And here's something even more unsettling. Right after the pulse, satellites recorded temporary interference with communication systems. There were brief magnetic fluctuations, radio blackouts, and sensor failures. For several minutes, Antarctica went dark. No data, no signals, just silence. And then, everything returned to normal, as if nothing ever happened. But it did, and they know it. So now the question is yours. What do you think? Are we looking at another unexplained natural phenomenon? Something science simply doesn't understand yet? Or is this part of something much bigger and much more terrifying? Are we being watched? Are there technologies hidden in plain sight? Or rather, hidden beneath miles of ice that the world isn't ready to reveal? Or was this pulse a warning? Or maybe something is starting to wake up. If this story blew your mind and you love exploring the mysteries of our world, make sure to subscribe to Nexora, turn on notifications, like this video, and share it with someone who loves mysteries as much as you do. Want to hear another story that will blow your mind? Subscribe to Nexora and get notified the moment the next mystery drops. Thanks for watching.